Hey everybody, it's Diana at Catherine Diana Studios, and I'm so sorry I have not made a video for a while. I finally caught the big cooties after 3.5 years of not getting it, and it took a long time for my voice to come back. Just last week it started coming back, and then of course that was Thanksgiving weekend. So I am back and feeling much better, and tried so hard to avoid that stupid virus. But it got me, and it got me good. So anyway, so I'm making 2 videos back to back because these items are going to a nonprofit auction tonight. So, and I'm not even finished. I have to hurry up and do the videos, get them done, and run them over to the event. So here we go. I made a Christmas journal, and it's vintage theme, and you can see the mess all around me. I have been super busy the last few days with custom orders and this and so on. Vintage inspired, some vintage style images, vintage style fabric, some doilies and whatnot, a little bit of lace. And then you open it up, and by the way, this is just a regular journal that I got at Ross, and I just altered it. This isn't like the normal journals that I make, which are all handmade, hand bound, hand this and hand that. So inside are some really pretty just note papers, an altered phone, while you were out phone message with some Tim Holtz images and a button, and this was made from a cupcake liner. Some Tim Holtz, I'm hoping you can see that. I believe this was Simple Stories, I believe. Ephemera here, some note paper, various pages, Christmas paper that I just had. Fabric, the little ribbon there. And that was also from that ephemera pack, the Simple Stories. And I just kind of went every small handful of pages and added some corners and some papers. Same thing here. Altered an envelope. This is actually from gift wrap, so is that. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So super cute. Little storage areas. And I love these things because when you put your family memories in there, you write your notes and add your own photos and tickets from events that you've gone to in the holidays, and you write down all the recipes, or you put recipes, paste them in here. It becomes quite the beautiful treasured heirloom. So these things turn out great when they're all filled in. So here's a vintage image here from some gift wrap. Belly band here with some note pads, and this is just scrapbook paper and some fabric musical notes ribbon. Little tuck spot here with some writing paper as well. And just as also put those in to add color, to take some space and inspire whoever wins this item, this journal, that they can, put things in and tuck these little spots, and that's what they're for. So just a little ephemera here. Handmade tag. This is from a Charles Dickens book, A Christmas Carol, and I just added some Tim Holtz people, and this is scrapbook paper, a little bit of lace, and this is from some gift wrap. I don't think there's anything in between there. No. Some Dollar Tree mesh, an image from some gift wrap, fabric, an image from some gift wrap as well, holiday gift wrap. Another belly band, some coffee dyed paper that's been tri-folded, and some other paper here. And this is from that Simple Stories paper, ephemera pack that's out this year. Altered envelope, you can see the back there. And here's this, let me show you a little closer. Did some, what do you call that? Distress ink, added some papers behind, also some more of that Dickens Christmas Carol, and then a vintage image from some gift wrap. And another little corner pocket, which turned out really cute. And I have to do this in one take, so because these are leaving, so I'm like hustling here. Beautiful papers that I have, discontinued papers. Are really hard to find these papers now, and also not pay a fortune for them when you see them. Vintage image here from gift wrap, another one here as well. Let's see. Oh, another belly band with just some little ephemera on there, a little sticker and such, and some coffee dyed paper. Another image there. That might have some shine on it. I see it. That's from gift wrap. And it's so cute. Scrapbook paper, a label from that kit, the Simple Stories one, and then this Noel word is from a Martha Stewart gift wrap, and there's just some scrapbook paper behind that, and I think some coffee dyed paper there. Another altered envelope that I created, just a little doily. This was cut from a current Michaels, let me turn it that way, a current Michaels paper pack for Christmas. I'm not sure how long I've had this. I don't know if it's new or not, but a little faux stamp. And this is from that Simple Stories ephemera pack. And it's just some paper, scrapbook paper with little candy canes, little tuck spot here. Ephemera from that pack, some miscellaneous papers, beautiful papers. Another vintage image from some vintage style gift wrap. This is from that Simple Stories ephemera pack. This is from some vintage Victorian style gift wrap as well. Another little corner pocket here. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby some time ago. This is actually from this fabric here. I cut that out where it says S. Claus Farms, and it's part of this. You can see it there. This is a piece of the A Christmas Carol from the Dickens book, and then a little flower. And, you know, it's amazing. Just a little here and a little there can really zhuzh these up. So scrapbook paper, little flower, and a little faux crystal. And Charles Dickens, little Merry and Bright paper. I believe I got that at Hobby Lobby. Little, you know, these little felt, not felt, what are those? Foam, thank you. Foam, little stickies that you can get, little big packs. That's what that's from. So I think it had Christmas trees in it and little faux candies and stuff. So super cute, inexpensive. Vintage inspired image from some scrapbook paper and another band. This is from gift wrap. This little North Pole Express mail. Let's see. What is this? Scrapbook paper, punched out star, one of those foam things, and then just a piece of paper. Had to think about that. I'm like, what am I doing? I'm looking at the time going, I gotta get this done! Because I have to do another video for the other journal that I did. And then another tuck spot, some fabric, and a vintage image of a Good Housekeeping magazine, Christmas magazine from back in the day. And then some more papers in here. This is from that Simple Stories ephemera. If you just heard my stomach growls, because I've been so busy all day, I haven't even eaten. And there's some vintage fabric. I knew there was something I needed to do. I'm going to put some stickles on there or something, because it's the adhesive made the black ink seep through onto this vintage fabric, so I need to cover that up. And then I made this little tag here off the Charles Dickens Christmas Carol paper with some Tim Holtz people. This is from gift wrap, this is from gift wrap, and this is from a vintage magazine from a restaurant that existed at one time. I don't know if it's still there. I don't think so. Anyway, but these magazines were from the 50s and 60s. So that's that. And that's it for this one. All I have to do is get my signature on here, which I'm glad I just now remembered. Hello. So anyway, that's it. This one's got to go. I actually am going to put a few more flowers on here. I haven't had a chance. I'm going to do those quick, and they'll just go on, and I'll get pictures of this later. But that's this one, and I'm going to do the next, which is a Hanukkah theme journal. So hope you all having a great day. Healthy, happy, doing well, and we're going to be doing some ephemera tutorials and craft with me videos, because this next journal, I had nothing to work with. I had to create ephemera from scratch, and I started last night, worked in the wee hours of the morning, got up early again, and been working on it all day today. So I need to make some ephemera. So we'll be doing some videos like that. So I hope y'all are doing great. Take care. Sorry for the mess, but I hope you're doing awesome. See you later. Bye-bye.